If your PC freezes, stutters, or randomly starts lagging, there's a good chance Windows is slowing itself down. Most people never check these settings, and one of them can even leave your CPU running at high percentage for no good reason. I'll show you 7 settings you should check to make your PC feel smoother without downloading anything. Let's start with the one that causes problems more often than people think. Press Windows button and open Settings. Then click Apps and then Startup. Every app that's turned on here starts automatically whenever Windows boots up. Even if you don't open these apps, they still use memory and CPU in the background. If you don't need something launching every time your PC starts, simply switch it off. Apps like Discord, Spotify, Epic Games Launcher, or Microsoft Teams don't need to run the second your computer turns on. Only leave things enabled if you actually use them daily. Now, let's stop apps from running when you're not using them. Open Settings, click Apps, then Installed Apps. Find an app you rarely use, click the 3 dots next to it, choose Advanced Options, then under Background App Permissions, change it to Never if that option is available. Some apps continue syncing, checking for updates, or using system resources even after you've closed them. Turning that off frees up resources for the programs you actually care about. Next, let's make sure Windows isn't limiting your performance. Press Windows button and search for Choose a Power Plan. Switch it to Recommended or Balanced. Automatically adjust your computer's performance and energy use. It speeds up the processor when you need power and slows it down when idle to save energy. This next setting can make Windows feel much more responsive, especially on older PCs. Click the Windows button and search for Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows, then open it. Choose Adjust for Best Performance, then click Apply. If you still want Windows to look smooth, you can turn a few animations back on afterward. But disabling most of these effects reduces unnecessary visual processing and can make Windows feel snappier. If your drive is almost full, Windows has a much harder time doing everyday tasks. Open Settings, click System, then Storage. Turn on Storage Sense. Then click it to customize how often Windows removes temporary files. Also make sure your main drive always has at least 15 to 20% of its space free. A nearly full drive can cause slowdowns, longer loading times, and even stuttering. Windows constantly indexes your files so searches are faster, but on some PCs that creates unnecessary background activity. Click the Start menu, search for Indexing Options, and open it. Click Modify, then remove folders you never search, like large game libraries or archive folders. This reduces the amount of work Windows has to do in the background while still keeping normal searches fast. Finally, here's the setting that made you click this video. Whenever your PC suddenly starts lagging, don't guess what's causing it. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. If it opens in the simple view, click More Details. Now click the Processes tab, click the CPU column until the arrow points downward. That sorts every running program from highest CPU usage to lowest. If one program keeps sitting at the top, using an unusually high amount of CPU, you've probably found the reason your PC is slowing down. It could be a browser tab, a launcher, a background app, or even a program that's stuck. Once you identify it, you can close it, update it, or reinstall it if the problem keeps coming back. Those are 7 Windows settings that can help make your PC feel smoother without installing any optimization software. If this video helped you, check out my other Windows optimization guides for even more ways to improve your PC's performance. And if you have a question or another tip that worked for you, leave it in the comments below.